Hey guys, Gameboy here, and guess what? Yeah, I got this from the gas station.
It's not clinging to the rocks and ivy planted on their columns now that bind me.
Frick. I wanted a blue one, but they didn't have it. And I got this too.
It's just knowing that the world will not be cursing or forgiving.
Don't ask what
when
that
I walk
was.
along some railroad track and find
Okay, I gotta find the
moving on the back roads by the rivers of my memory, and for hours you're just gentle on my mind.
No!
Though the wheat fields and the clotheslines and the junkyards and the highways come between us,
I did it!
and some other woman's crying to her mother cause she turned and I was gone. I still might run in silence, tears of joy might stain my face, and a summer sun might burn me till I'm blind. But not to where I cannot see you walking on the back roads by the rivers flowing gentle on my mind.
I can
I sip my cup of soup back from a gurgling cauldron in some train yard.
These have LED lights.
And a dirty hat pulled low across my face.
Also, tell me in the comments below how is it you use the LED lights.
To hold you to my breast and find that you're waking from the back roads by the rivers of my memories, never smiling, never gentle on my mind.
Whatever, but I got a fidget spinner. I got it down. This is so fun. This is so fun. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video of Gameboy. If you liked it, then smash that like button with your Nintendo Switch, and I would love that to happen. And also I just figured out. I'm gonna make up my own kind of club. It's gonna be called Club Fidget Spinner. Anyway, and also like, comment, and subscribe. Anyways.